Hey guys, Value Braining here. Alright, so today I'm going to be trying a speed run of LinkedIn Queens from the archive which I showed you in my previous video. Link below. Alright, without any further ado, let's just get into that. Okay, so now we're back at the archive for LinkedIn Queens made by Mr. Sami. Okay, I'll just select what all available levels there are. So I'll do a speed run for 10 levels. See how long it takes me. So I'll pick any one single row from this and do it, but then I want to do it at random. So I see there are 35 full rows here. All right, so I'll just pick a random number between 1 and 35 and do that entire row. 31. All right. 31st row is this, so I'll go from 315 to 325. All right, reset, go. First off the bat, you need that entire line is the only thing that's working here. Okay, these two means these two gotta go. That means only two left for green. Okay, two color opposition here, which means these gotta go. And of course, white eliminates that. You get this from yellow, white eliminates these. Okay, that means we got this. We now have, okay, blue has to be here, pink there, red there, and we're done. Next. Okay, blue has to go. Okay, one purple has to go. Okay, two color opposition here means these have to go. Two color opposition again, these have to go. Okay, what else? Can get rid of this. I can. Okay, how many colors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do we have 5 colors in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, that means orange gotta go. We got this. We got green. We got gray. Okay, two color opposition here, which means this has to go. This, and this has to go. And we got that. Next level. Two color opposition again. Okay. What else do we have here? Yeah, yellow gets rid of these. Okay, we can get rid of this and this, of course. Now, what does it leave us with? Yellow takes over here. That means this violet, green here, blue here. Okay. Yeah, orange, and we're done. Alright, so far so good. Able to do everything in under a minute. Let's see if I can apply my own logic quickly enough to do this as fast as possible. So 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4 colors fully contained, which means orange gotta go. Which means I got the yellow, I got the white. These two have to go because of the blue. And I got this, and this. Next. Okay, I got this. Two color opposition here, which means this, which means I got this, I got this. Okay, oh yeah, got yellow, got orange, white's done, pink, blue, and red. Next. Okay, this has to go, this has to go because of this. Okay, two color opposition here. Okay, that means we got the red and the white. These two gotta go. Okay, got that from the blue. I have two more. two more here. Yellow, green, and okay. Okay, so if I put a yellow here, no, I can't put a yellow here because of this. Okay, that means I can't put the gray here, and that's it. Next. Okay, straight off the bat we got that. Two color opposition here. Two color opposition again, which means I got this, and okay, this has to go, which means this. Alright, that was fast. Okay, I got orange, I got yellow. Alright, I got blue gone as well. Only this remaining here. These two have to go, which means only these two remaining. And within these four, I have this, and this. So 4 different colors in here, which means all of this red also has to go. So only these two red is possible. Okay, and only these two white is possible incidentally, and it's a 2 color opposition there, which means we got the green. Which means we got the red, we got the white, we got the yellow. We have the purple, yes, great, the gray, blue, orange, and finally pink. Alright, next. What do we have here? We got these two. 2 color opposition here again. 2 color opposition here. Okay, these mean this has to go, which means this has to go. Got white. Okay, now it has to be either here or here, which means these don't work. Okay, we have only one orange. Okay, the red has to be there, purple has to be there, yellow has to be there. Next. Okay, this I guess is the last level of the run I'm doing. Level number 324. Alright, so try to probably end it with a bang. Maybe not. Okay, what else can we do? Only these 3 here. Okay, let's see. For 1, 2, 3, and 4 colors fully contained in here, which means this can't be here. This has to go, which means this. 3 colors. Okay. What else can I do? Alright, this has to go, which means this and this will go. This here, this here. Has to be here and here. Alright, so great. I guess that completes. Yeah, sorry. Click on available levels. Yeah, that completes the first just 10 levels. Quite a pace. Really was able to do everything, and each level was under a minute. I'm pretty sure I'm sort of good enough in this game. I'll probably try to move on to something else. So I'll try another game, another logic puzzle game in the next video. If you have any suggestions, please do let me know. Meanwhile, I'll probably go and try Killer Sudoku. That's something I had my eye on for some time. See how good at it I can be. I mean, I'm sort of moderately good at Queens. Hopefully Killer Sudoku is also another puzzle that I enjoy. Alright, so thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.